Oh, hey, it's me. They call me Descriptive Fridge Man every once in a while. Oh, man! Looks like Grandma got in the milk again. Oh, what was that? Wow. Well, let's start the first item. We got Regan grated Parmesan cheese. Yeah. We also got some Orange Crush. Orange soda, naturally flavored. Let's see what we got next in the pantry. Oh, man. We also got some Cholula hot sauce. Oh, what's this? Philadelphia Parmesan.
It's time for another head-baked banana.
What are you doing in here? What do you... Let's get back with the video, shall we? So, this fell out from here, just like that. Let's look at it. Onions, Duke's, Agrooms, vinaigrette. Very nice. Oh, looks like we got some wine. My favorite. So by March 6th. Made by Meyer. 2% reduced fat. We also got some fold pack Chinese food from the Chinese restaurant. We also got some Jif extra crunchy peanut butter, but that's not in the fridge, so that can get out of here. Let's see what we got next in the pantry. Oh, man. All right. Looks like we got some Chinese. York dark chocolate covered peppermint patty. My favorite. Junior Bear honey flavored syrup. Nah, too many calories. Oh, hey. The fridge kind of broke down. So, we're going to check out the freezer. So, first item in the freezer will be the Stouffer's stuffed pepper. Made by Stouffer's. Who's that? What are you eating?
What?
What was that head, big man guy?
It's my time to shine!
He doesn't like not being recorded. So, we got some hamburger meat. Just like Wendy's, fresh, always frozen beef. Let's see what we got next. My favorite. Ice cream sandwiches. So warm in my tummy. Ice cream choco. Oh, I'm sorry. You're okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, let's do this. Why is my life such a mess? Oh, hey. I just got back from the club. You know, partying hard. Got a little frisky. Had some whiskey. I'm actually a SoundCloud rapper now. So, I don't have a car. So, I'm gonna call an Uber. There we go. Let's hope they answer.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic.
Let's call him again, shall we? Hello? Hello, can you come pick me up at the club? Can you please just pick me up at the club? I think I understood what he said. I think he said he'll be here. You guys like my cool background? Yeah, dude. I listen to dubstep and stuff. Let's walk, shall we? Here, wait. I think I hear it. Wait a minute. There's my Uber. All right, come on. Oh, he said quickly, come on. No. My life is such a mess. Hey guys.